Good afternoon, Ma'am Dizon. We are the project presentation. I'm Roger P. Cordero. I'm Micaela Nicole Ledesma. I'm Angel K. Avalos. So, first one is one sample test. One sample test means a statistical hypothesis test that compares a sample mean to a specific value. Known as the test value, the rest value is a usual mean from a population that's been established first or value from a literature review industry to standards or legal requirements. Uh, a test is an interpretational statistic used to determine if there is a significant difference between the means two groups in how they are related. Example, this mean value of a sample of populations and then connected to the known mean value. The problem statement. The problem statement is manufacturer claims average weight of each chocolate bars is ang formula niya R equal 50 thousand dash equal 50 RL equal 50 grams. So sample of 30 bars has a mean weight of grams. So example, sample of 30 bars. Yan. We have a 30 bars and then mean value sample is 48 grams. So at a 5% significance level, ang iyang result is A equal 0.5 slash alpha equal 0.5 equal 0.05. Number two sample tests and identified. This identified test, also called the two sample test, identified sample test, or the student test, is an inferential statistical test that determine whether statistical significant difference between mean and two unrelated group. Independent group, the two sample are unrelated, continues the data, determine the value of the measurement on the interval of the ratio scale. Nominal data is the boot group of the approach nominal distribution. The homogenic values from the populate test, the variance is a two group of the assuming equality. Example, identified sample test, you can compare the effective of the two pink pills of drug A or drug B by measurement pain reduced to one scale from the 0 to 10. Higher number indicated the greater pain relief. Two identified group of the 15 participants each are given one of the drugs and their pain reduction score or a record. To this, we random divide the 60 test subject into two groups. The first group receive a drugs A. The second group is receive the drug B. With unidentified test, we can now test whenever there is significant difference in the pain relief in between two drugs. Example, the situation of the use paired t-test. A paired t-test, also known as a dependent or correlated t-test, is a statistical
test that compress the means of two related groups to determine if there is a significant differences between them. It used when the data values are paired measurement such as before and after measurements for a group of people. Key features of the paired t-test. Purpose. To determine whatever the mean difference between paired observation is significantly different from zero. Data requirement. The two sample tests must consist of paired or matched observation, pre-test, post-test, repeated measures, or matches pairs. Examples of situation to use a paired t-test before and after testing, comparing students' test scores before and after specific teaching method is applied, analyzing weight loss before and after following a diet plan. Number two, comparison of two conditions, testing reaction times of individual when using two different types of stimulants, measuring the heart rate of athletes during rest versus after exercise. Number three, paired of matches participants, assessing satisfaction levels between two groups of customers' matches and the demographic, comparing performance of machines that are paired by the same operating conditions. Example, paired t-test for diet effective problem. We want to determine if a diet program is effective in reducing weight. To evaluate this, we weigh 30 individuals before and after the diet program. The weight is in kilograms of the same 30 individuals are recorded, and we will use to pair t-test to determine if there is a statistically significant reduce in weight. Example, before diet and after diet. Dependent versus independent sample. Dependent sample, paired sample. Definition: independent sample our measurements are taken on the same individuals or related groups, creating pairs of values. The two groups are not dependent of each other. Example, measuring the blood pressure of the same participants before and after administering a drug. Number two, testing a student performance on two different tests, pre-test versus post-test. As assessing the reaction times of participants under the two different conditions with caffeine and without caffeine. Independent sample, unpaired sample. Definition: independent sample. The measurements are taken from two distinct groups that have no relationship with one another. Each observant in one group is independent of the group. Example, comparing test score between two different groups of students, one taught with method and the one method B, measuring the effectiveness of two different medication by testing two separated group of patients, comparing reaction times of male participants versus female participants. Example, measure value are available in pairs, persons independent of each other.
So there's a tip. The test for independent samples is very similar to the test t-test for a one sample. We can also think on the t-test for dependent samples as having a sample that was measured at two different times as shown. In the following image, we then calculate the difference between the paired values and get a value for the one sample. Example, uh, difference and then mean value of the difference, reference value, and difference. So once we get 5 phones plus 2 plus minus 1 and so on, now we want to check whether the mean of the just calculated difference depends from a reference value. In this case, 0, and that is exactly what the t-test does for a sample. Next is assumptions. What are the assumptions to be able to calculate a test in the first place? First, of course, we must have a suitable sample. For the one sample test, we need a sample and the reference value. In an independent t-test, we need two independent samples. And with the paired t-test, we need a dependent sample. The variable for which it is also to be tested whether there is a difference between and means must be metric. Metric variables are age, body weight, income, and non-metric variable is, for example, person's school leaving qualification and secondary school, high school. So there's a diagram normally distributed. Number one metric, one sample t-test, 5 persons, and independent sample t-test is 10 persons. Um, and the third, the third sample t-test is 5 is equal to 0. So example. Example for the t-test, difference between mean value and standard deviation from the mean, standard error. So mean of the sample at x. Okay.
This is the example of all the sample tests. Mean, and this is the formula of the solving. Mean x is the mean of the sample, u is the reference value, s is standard to the division, n is the number of case. T is equals to difference between mean in the values and equals to standard deviation from the mean. Standard error is scatter from the mean value and the mean difference of the two groups. This is the group of the difference between mean and the sample test is of the two group. Null high potential of the popular, no different. Different of the two groups and the difference of the mean between mean and value. Thank you, ma'am, and that's all. That's our presentation, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas po.
Christmas.